Hi guys, this is Just John again. We're here in the Marikina River Bank in Nike Outlet. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, it says 50% discount. So the original price was $6,076. You can only get this for $3,797. At yun na nga guys, naiuwi na namin yung Air Jordan 1 Women's mula sa Marikina River Banks. Okay. So ito na nga siya. Size 8.5. Okay. So ito ay para sa aking minamahal na Mrs. Wow! Tingnan nyo guys. Ang Air Jordan 1 mid-cut na burgundy or maroon gamuza. Gamuza yan guys. Okay. Okay, let me give you a 360 view of it. Dahan-dahan. Ang sole niya. Size 8.5 guys. Okay, let's take a look on the other one. Again guys, ito ay 50% off ngayon sa Nike outlet store sa Marikina River Banks. So originally it cost 7,000. We only got this for 3,747. Napakaganda guys. Gamuza, maroon, or burgundy, whatever you call it. Okay. So, marami pa silang stock guys sa store na yon. Hindi lang ito. There you go guys. So, yun na nga. So, sa Marikina River Banks, makakuha kayo ng 50% off sa Nike outlet store nila. Okay? Hanggang sa susunod na video.